In the schools, Catholic schools and primary Catholic schools in Dublin, there isn't one Catholic school that has all Catholic pupils in it. And in fact, according to an ESRI report that was done in conjunction with Educate Together schools, there is much more likely to be greater diversity among Catholic schools than among minority faith or multi-denominational schools. Catholic schools have much greater numbers of children, for instance, from lone parent families. They have greater numbers of children from lower socioeconomic groups. Multi-denominational schools tend typically to be middle class.
But that's because most schools in the country surely are run by the Catholic ethos.
It is true according to the report published by the ESRI.
If Maria is saying that it's not a problem, if it's not a problem, then let's just get
coming in there?
I'm the CEO.
Yes, gentleman on the end there. Go ahead.
I'm the CEO of Educate Together, and what has just been said is palpably not true.
Well, how do you support the report then?
Sorry, could I say anything?
No, go ahead. Please go ahead.
Can I finish what I'm saying? I mean, Educate Together over many years has been providing an inclusive and equality-based alternative for families all over the country. And now, in terms of the percentage and social diversity of the enrolments in Educate Together schools, for example, there's a higher percentage of Educate Together schools in the DESH or disadvantaged section than there is in any other section of Irish education.
So you're saying you're welcoming a more diverse group of people.
The point is that what has been said here is there isn't a problem. I mean, on my desk in Educate Together, I have more than 12,000 applicants for places in Educate Together schools, which we cannot meet. And this indicates the scale of the problem facing the Irish education system.
Okay.
I'm not saying there's not a problem, but for instance, how do you? This is directly from your survey that you have published. Most multi-denominational schools did not have any traveller pupils. Catholic schools were more likely to have greater numbers of traveller pupils compared to minority faith schools. That's from your report.
No, that is not.
It's from I've got it written down here.
I'm sorry. For example,
it's available on your website.
It is absolutely untrue. Our school in Ennis, for example.
Is it from the Education Together?
My kids are in an Educate Together. My kids are in an Educate Together. It's absolutely amazing.
I mean, this is terrible. A really disgraceful thing for you to say.
It is.
But it's from your report. I don't understand.
One of the families in the Carrick Mines burning tragedy was a family in an Educate Together school. And for you to say there are no travellers in Educate Together schools
it says most multi-denominational schools did not have any traveller pupils. Catholic schools were more likely to have greater numbers of traveller pupils compared to minority faith schools.
This is absolutely absurd.
I'm sorry.
93% of the schools in the country are Catholic schools.
I'm going to just move on because we have so many.
By definition, they will have more of different sections.
To be fair, we have so many more people in the audience who want to get in here.